Did you know that 75% of resumes never even make it to a hiring manager? They get tossed aside by automated systems before a human even sees them. If you're sending out the same old resume, you're probably missing out on job opportunities without even knowing it. But here's the good news: creating an impressive resume doesn't have to cost a thing. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a resume that stands out in 2025, all for free. We'll dive into powerful strategies that most people don't use. You'll learn how to craft a resume that not only gets noticed but gets you hired. Plus, you'll discover tools and tips that will save you time, money, and frustration. Stick around as we break down the simple, yet effective ways to upgrade your resume and get noticed in today's competitive job market. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's get started. Chapter 1: The Secret Sauce, Resumes that Stand Out in 2025. The first step to an impressive resume is to think beyond the traditional format. A resume in 2025 should tell a story, not just list jobs. Research shows that 75% of hiring managers look for candidates who display both technical skills and soft skills. So, don't just list your duties, show what you've accomplished. Use a personal branding approach. Think of your resume as a snapshot of who you are, your strengths, and what makes you unique. In fact, 92% of recruiters say they look for personal branding in resumes. A strong personal brand helps hiring managers connect with you on a human level. Another trick is to integrate your LinkedIn profile. According to a survey by JobVite, 87% of recruiters use LinkedIn to vet candidates. Make sure your resume includes a link to your profile. Also, if you've worked on projects or have a portfolio, consider adding that link too. In 2025, a clean, professional design matters. But it's not just about looks. Recruiters often use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter resumes. A recent study by JobScan revealed that 75% of resumes are rejected by ATS before they ever reach a human. To beat this system, use keywords from the job description in your resume to increase your chances. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll keep bringing you the best strategies for career success. Chapter 2: Hack the System, Resume Templates and Tools You Didn't Know You Could Get for Free. Most people think they need to pay for premium resume templates. But there are many free tools and resources that can help you create a standout resume without spending a dime. Platforms like Canva offer free, high-quality templates that are professional and easy to customize. They even have built-in design tools to ensure your resume looks sleek and modern. But that's not all. Google Docs offers free, customizable resume templates too. They're simple, clean, and easy to use, and you can store your resume in the cloud. Plus, you can easily update it whenever you need. Don't forget about AI-powered tools. Websites like City or Resume.com offer free basic versions of their resume builders. These tools walk you through the process step by step and help you choose the right words to describe your experience. If you want something a little more cutting edge, check out resume builders that offer templates tailored for specific industries. For instance, if you're in tech, you might need a resume that highlights your coding skills in a unique way. Many platforms like NovoResume allow you to tailor your resume based on your profession, and they offer free templates as well. Chapter 3: Crafting Your Personal Brand, Make Them Remember You. A memorable resume is more than just a list of your jobs. It's about showcasing your personal brand. Start by adding a Brief About Me section at the top of your resume. This is your chance to briefly share who you are, what you're passionate about, and what you aim to achieve in your next job. A good About Me section should capture the attention of a recruiter in under 10 seconds. Research by Glassdoor shows that 79% of job seekers want to work for a company that shares their values. So, be sure to tailor your resume to reflect the values that are important to you. For example, if you're passionate about sustainability, include how your work has supported green initiatives or how you've contributed to sustainability projects. Also, consider including a skills section that highlights both hard and soft skills. According to LinkedIn, skills like communication, problem solving, and creativity are in high demand. A recent report found that 72% of employers value soft skills as much as technical skills. Use action words to describe your accomplishments. Words like led, built, improved, and designed help convey a sense of achievement. Instead of just saying, responsible for managing a team, try, led a team of 5 to exceed project goals by 30%. Remember, your resume should reflect your growth. A stagnant resume doesn't show progress. If you've picked up new skills or taken on more responsibilities, make sure those are visible. A resume that tells a story of growth will always be more compelling. If you're enjoying the tips so far, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got even more career-changing advice coming your way. Chapter 4, Beyond the Bullet Points. Show, don't tell. If you're still writing your resume with basic bullet points, it's time to upgrade. Instead of simply listing your job responsibilities, focus on the results. When you tell recruiters what you did, they're more likely to remember you. Instead of managed a team, try led a team of 5 to achieve 120% of project goals. Numbers have power. According to a study by the National Resume Writers Association, resumes that include specific numbers are 40% more likely to get noticed. Show your impact. You want your resume to paint a picture of success. A report by Career Builder found that 60% of employers prefer resumes with quantifiable achievements over those that simply list duties. For example, increased sales by 30% in the first quarter speaks volumes compared to a vague increased sales. This tells the recruiter not just what you did but how well you did it. Action verbs are key. Words like created, improved, and increased tell a powerful story. Replace weak verbs like helped or assisted with more direct and dynamic choices. If you were responsible for leading a project, say spearheaded or directed. Remember, the goal is to make your resume results-oriented. By emphasizing how you contributed to your company's success, you help recruiters see your value instantly. Think of your resume as a marketing tool, and you're the product. You don't want to be just another option, you want to stand out. Chapter 5, Free Customization. Tailor every resume without spending a dime. Tailoring your resume is the difference between getting your foot in the door or being overlooked. In fact, 72% of hiring managers report that they won't even consider a resume that hasn't been customized for the role. Generic resumes often get tossed aside, as recruiters can tell they aren't personalized. So, what can you do to stand out? Start by reviewing the job description carefully. Identify key skills and qualifications the company is looking for. Use those same keywords in your resume, especially in the skills and experience sections. Studies have shown that resumes with job-specific keywords are 30% more likely to make it past applicant tracking systems, ATS. If you're applying for multiple jobs, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But customizing doesn't mean starting from scratch every time. Keep a master resume with all your experiences, then make quick adjustments based on each specific role. Use free tools like JobScan to compare your resume with the job description and see if you've included all the right keywords. Customization also means adjusting your resume's format to align with the industry. Creative fields may benefit from visually engaging resumes, while corporate roles may prefer a more straightforward, clean design. The goal is to make it as easy as possible for the recruiter to see that you're the perfect match. Chapter 6, The Hidden Power of Feedback. How free peer reviews make you unstoppable. One of the most underrated ways to improve your resume is through feedback. You may think you've crafted the perfect resume, but fresh eyes can often spot things you've missed. In fact, a study by Harvard Business Review found that people who get feedback on their resumes are 20% more likely to land an interview. The best part? You don't have to pay for feedback. Start by asking trusted friends, colleagues, or mentors to review your resume. They may offer helpful suggestions or point out areas for improvement. Peer feedback brings new perspectives and can help you see things you might overlook, like awkward phrasing or inconsistencies. Online communities are also a great resource. Websites like Reddit, LinkedIn groups, and forums dedicated to career advice often offer free resume reviews. While feedback from strangers can seem intimidating, it can also be eye-opening. They don't know you personally, so they'll focus purely on what's on the page. Another trick is to review others' resumes. You'll start noticing patterns and things that work well, which you can then apply to your own. A survey by Glassdoor found that 70% of job seekers who help others with their resumes also feel more confident in their own applications. Reviewing resumes teaches you to spot both common mistakes and strong points, making you better at crafting your own. By now, you should have all the tools to craft a resume that truly reflects your skills and experience. Remember, your resume isn't just a document, it's a marketing tool that should make you unforgettable. So, use these strategies to show off your accomplishments, tailor your content for each job, and seek feedback to perfect your final product. The best part? You can do all of this for free.